Hi everyone, welcome to Bike Scout. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic cruiser motorcycles on the market, the 2025 Honda Shadow 750. Whether you're a beginner looking for a reliable first bike or a seasoned rider searching for a smooth cruiser, this machine has plenty to offer. Stick around as we break it all down for you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Let's talk about the design. The Honda Shadow 750 has always been known for its classic cruiser styling, and the 2025 model doesn't disappoint. It boasts the timeless low-slung profile, teardrop fuel tank, and wide handlebars, all while blending in a few modern touches. The chrome detailing on the exhaust, engine, and other key areas really makes it pop. Honda has also introduced some new color options for this year, giving riders the choice to match their style with something bold or classic. Whether you're parking it at a bike meet or cruising through town, this bike is guaranteed to turn heads. Now, onto performance. The Shadow 750 is powered by a 745cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine, which delivers a smooth and responsive ride. With 44 horsepower and around 47 pound-feet of torque, this bike has the power you need for highway cruising while remaining friendly enough for city commutes. The 5-speed transmission shifts effortlessly, and Honda's engineering ensures you get a reliable and low-maintenance experience. One of the standout features this year is the refined fuel injection system, which improves throttle response and fuel efficiency. Speaking of fuel economy, the Shadow 750 offers an impressive average of around 55 miles per gallon, meaning you can ride longer without frequent stops at the gas station. This makes it perfect for both weekend getaways and daily commuting. Riding comfort is another area where the Shadow excels. The low seat height of 25.9 inches makes it accessible to riders of all sizes, and the plush, wide saddle ensures hours of comfortable riding. The forward-set footpegs and relaxed handlebars put you in that laid-back cruiser position, which is ideal for long rides. Honda has also worked on the suspension this year, giving it better damping for a smoother ride over rough roads. The braking system features a single disc up front and a drum brake in the rear. While some might expect dual discs, the setup does the job well for a bike in this class, offering good stopping power and control. Additionally, the 2025 model comes with ABS as an optional upgrade, giving you extra confidence, especially in wet or tricky road conditions. Let's talk about technology. While the Shadow 750 stays true to its classic roots, Honda has introduced a few modern features. The bike now comes with an updated LED headlight, which provides excellent visibility at night and adds a premium touch. The instrument cluster is simple but effective, displaying all the essential info like speed, fuel level, and mileage. If you're into customizing your ride, the Shadow's design makes it easy to add accessories like saddlebags, windshields, and more. Now, let's discuss the price. The 2025 Honda Shadow 750 starts at $8,199 for the base model, which is a fantastic value considering its reliability, performance, and iconic design. If you opt for the ABS version, the price goes up slightly to $8,699. Compared to other cruisers in its class, the Shadow offers excellent bang for your buck. Plus, Honda's reputation for durability and low maintenance costs means you're making a solid long-term investment. For those wondering if this bike is beginner-friendly, the answer is yes. Its manageable power, low seat height, and smooth handling make it an excellent choice for new riders. But don't let that fool you, it's still plenty of fun for experienced riders who want a reliable, no-fuss cruiser. To wrap things up, the 2025 Honda Shadow 750 is a bike that combines timeless style, dependable performance, and modern touches, all at a price that's hard to beat. Whether you're a new rider or a seasoned cruiser fan, this bike has something for everyone. If you're in the market for a versatile, comfortable, and stylish motorcycle, the Shadow 750 should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews, tips, and rides. Let me know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Honda Shadow 750 or if you have any questions about it. I'll catch you in the next video. Ride safe.